Guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Bella Sweet is here. Alright, now today I'm gonna show you how I make my callaloo soup. Yes guys, check out my callaloo. Got it right here. And in this soup I'll be putting 1 green plantain. I'll be putting 2 carrots, bell pepper, red and green. I also have a clove of garlic, and I have some onion that's already been chopped. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dice this up. Now you can do it however you want, but I like to just get them off like a little, which is pretty nice, pretty easy, pretty fast. And this is really healthy, no meat, you know. Keep your body healthy, healthy time, right? I'm sure our body is getting that amount of nutrients that it needs to function. Look like my knife dull, man, but it's going to work, you know? It's work. As I say guys, whenever time you're in the kitchen, you must make sure that your hands are clean, especially your nails. You have to check on those nail beds, that will store germs and most under the fingernail, you know? There's something quick and nice, pretty good. Yeah man, things are one. So when you fast man, you work good. Yeah, how you girl, you know? Bella Sweet. Now I'm gonna do my bell pepper, guys. Yeah. Run the thing out. Yes, guys. Nice and check out my red pepper, my red bell pepper, them. Yeah. Some nice stuff. You can do it fine if you want, you know. I'm just doing it to my style, you know. I make clove of garlic. You can just split that in a 4 or split mine in 2. And I have 2 stalk of parsley. I'm not gonna cut up these, I just go leave them like this. And then everything, I'm gonna mix it together over here. Really nice and colorful, guys. Yes. Nice and colorful, nice and colorful, nice and colorful, guys. There you are, guys. So this is it, nice and colorful. I'm gonna go in. It's roughly gonna take 10 to 15 minutes and your soup is ready. You don't need to add anything else. And for this, if you want a little more body to your soup, you can just sprinkle a little bulgur inside of it, and that's excellent too. So I'll come back and show you the finishing thing, you know. I'm gonna add it in the water now, and please let your pot start to boil before you add this, because these are pretty easy, as I say. Thing delicious. You see it, guys? Yes, man. Healthy way to start your day. Very healthy way to start your day. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And sometimes the kids don't want to eat vegetable, but if you can even get them to drink the water, I force mine to drink the water. Yeah, all the time, trust me. Check it back, I'm gonna get it in the pot, get it in the pot, yo! Pot to bubble up, steam up. On in. In. Pot to bubble up, pot to bubble up. But yes guys, the finished stuff is here. And when we say it happen, it happen. Let me tell you so the flavors then come out, guys. See guys? Check it out. You have to try that one. You have to try that one. tell you say things mad. This mad. Vegetarian, them go like this one. This one bad. And the ginger inside of it, the ginger just come out. You know, say ginger good for anti-inflammation, you know. Ginger take care of everything in the body, good for the circulation too, guys. I tell you, callaloo soup is bad, guys. It's bad. Just nice, man. And now, like, guys, not trying to make it really nice. I want you all try it and share your comments and your feedback. I'm gonna tell you, honestly, I put a little bit of Maggi inside of it. I didn't put any salt. Maggi is optional. I put the ginger powder inside of it, and I put some thyme, but I wait like when it's almost 5 minutes in because I want the flavor at the end, so I let everything simmer in. Let me tell you, so the thing come out, guys. Thing step out, me I tell you. And remember, don't put no yogurt, guys. And like I said, the Maggi is optional, to be honest. But my thing bad. Nice. I want you to feedback on that one, you trust me. Really good, really good. It's a good one. Breakfast is not, guys. Healthy breakfast, very healthy. Sometimes I force my kids them to eat vegetable, as I say, but you see, when I make this a callaloo soup, yeah, everybody plate clean up. Yeah, and sometimes down to the water, I have to force them to drink. But that one, yeah, they love it bad. They actually read what I want to hear me tell me. I want to try it too. I'm not read, I'm not tired of it, but really healthy, easy, nice. Morning start right. Energy in the body. Energy soup in there. My soup make you full of energy. My soup make you explore like Dora, you know? Dora soup in there. Some callaloo rich. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Your girl Bella Sweet. Remember, check it out and don't left it out. And please, I need your comments on this one. Remember to like and share the thing, guys, or share the thing because it's someone on your result. 15 minutes result of energy. Now to the baby can drink this one, yeah? If you don't put on ginger in it, because sometimes ginger can be a little bit spicy, but it's not spicy in a way that it's gonna burn your chest. You just know that the ginger is there, very smooth in the stomach. Pretty nice. Like I say, thank you again. Your girl Bella Sweet. I'm out. Remember, check it out, don't leave it out, and also try it. Bella Sweets. Stay sweet, you know? Your girl Bella Sweet. I'm out. Peace.